Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing the Dyson Dc39 Animal. It is a very nice and powerful vacuum, so let's get to it. This is the, I like to call it the main vacuumer. And you place it down on the floor, and it has two wheels right here to make this move. Very powerful suction. And this button right here, you press and release. This part comes off if you want to attach something different to it, which we will later on in the video. And then this red button right here, you gently place your foot on the vacuum and you press it, and you can raise the volume to your height. I'm going to raise it all the way up, and then it locks back in place automatically. And you can vacuum as you please. These are the tools. This little clip thing is removable, as you can see. And we clip back on, we have two tools. We have a corner tool with a brush right here. And then you press this button and you lower it back down, like so. I'm just going to go ahead and keep it back down and place it back on the rod. And this tool right here, I don't exactly know the name for it, but I do know that it can be used for, like, I believe couches. So we'll go ahead and this thing can rotate. Hold it and place it back on. And it has little icons on the tube, and so you know which one to go with. Just kneel back down so you can see my face. And this button right here is to stop the bristles from spinning when you're vacuuming on a hardwood floor. And you can either push this button or pull these at the same time. Then this button right here releases this part from the vacuum to attach to another piece, which I will get in a minute. Then you go ahead and place it back on, and you hear the click. And also, you can do the same with the hose. There we go. It's a little bit harder, but you get the point. And then, if you want to put the vacuum away, you can either leave it like this, or there's a small clip on the bottom, and you hook it into this part right here, stays in place. And you can just slowly give it a little pull, and it comes right out. So go ahead and place this to the side. So let's get to the vacuum itself. And the hose can be removed down here. As you can see, I'm going to move over here, and then you just place it on there, and you hear the click, and this is your max fill line right here. And this button, you press it, and the third basket comes out. This is the filter. I'd say wash around once a month or every 2 months with a warm soapy water, and then let it dry. And this button right here releases the lid for the trash, and this hooks onto here, and all the dust comes up through here, through this, and into here. And you can see my insane dog over there. And you place it back on, and you press it down, and hear a click, and it's secured on. This is the power button. And then if you turn it this way, here's the cord, which neatly stores inside the vacuum. So we go ahead and pull it out. So you press this button and watch the cord go back into the vacuum. Just in case you're having trouble seeing this, I'm going to lower the tripod for you. There we go. I'll just tighten it. Sorry about this inconvenience, but we'll continue reviewing. And I'll get to vacuuming in a moment. And I'd say the cord is, I'm sorry if I don't know how long it is, but it's a decent amount. And you want to know why it's the animal? I'll show you. I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. This came with the vacuum. I like to call it the animal hair picker-upper. And it has a little filter right here. And what you do is you disconnect this, like so. And then you take this part right here, you clip it on, and you can vacuum like that, like on this. It can be used for stairs, for vacuuming small areas with pet hair, mini. And then you just take it off, and you hook it back on, like so. And now, I'm going to get some materials, and I will demonstrate vacuuming. So, I will see you in a moment. We're right back. Alright, we are back, and now I'm going to demonstrate vacuuming the carpet, with the vacuum. And also, over here, I have prepared a mixture of oatmeal, of uncooked oatmeal and sugar. And I'll sprinkle a little bit on the hardwood floor and show you how good the suction is. Because my grandparents have the Dyson Dc39, which is just a normal one, and instead of it having purple, it is yellow, and it does not include this piece right here. So I'm going ahead and vacuum the carpet. And also, my grandparents have this, as you said, but it's just a regular one, and they have that white carpet that has little white bristles in it, and they said this thing is so powerful, it was sucking those little things off of the carpet. So you can definitely tell that's powerful. Now it does get a little annoying when the pipe goes taut and you have to yank this unit forward, but it's very powerful. And this was a lower budget range instead of the stand-up ones. I can't see me, but I'm going to vacuum the carpet. Go ahead and press the power button. It can be used with your hand or your foot. So, let's just vacuum it. Now I'm going to press this button right here and stop the bristles from spinning on the wood floor. I'll do this with and without the mixture. So go ahead and press it, and it stops spinning, and you can vacuum the hardwood floor. I know you probably can't see this, but then you go back on the carpet, you press the button, and the bristles start spinning. It is a little loud, but it's very powerful. I'm going to check the dirt container and see if any dirt has accumulated in it. Let's see. Yep, I see some right there. Right where my finger is. It's not a lot, but it collected some in just a few minutes. Now, I'm going to sprinkle this oatmeal mixture on the floor. I'm going to move the vacuum. And I'm just going to move my tripod here. And place it. I'm just going to point this down. And zoom in. So, like I said earlier, here is the sugar and oatmeal mixture, which I'm going to pour on the floor. Zoom out a little bit. So, let's see, set this to the side. I'm going to extend the cord more on the bed. And I'm just going to go ahead and bring it forward. And on the cord, there's a little red piece of tape, and that lets you know you are nearing the end of the cord. If I were you, I would press this button and bring it to the red tape just a little bit inside so you're not damaging the cord. I know all you can see is my hands, but I'm going to go ahead, just put the vacuum around, and sprinkle some of the mixture on the floor. Just get it here. Let's see. There we go. Can you see that through the camera? Oh, there it is. Just going to zoom in on it. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum it all up. Here we go. Turn it on. There we go. Here we go. You may have to do this. Place the vacuum over it and bring it back this way. I'm going to zoom back out and tilt the camera forward. As you can see at first, the vacuum had a little trouble going over it, but if you gently place the vacuum over it and bring it back, it will suck it right all up in just a few minutes. This may seem as an inconvenience to you, that you can't just plow right over it, but it still did very well. So, I'm just going to move the tripod back here, and we'll get one final look at the vacuum. Whoop. There's Minnie. So, as you can see, this vacuum is very, very good. I will place the Amazon link in the description. We'll go ahead and put this back on here. And just for you, I'm going to unplug the cord. And I will suck it right back up into the cord storage. Press this button. Watch the cord go. And there we go. As you can see, the vacuum is very good. And I'll show the sugar and oatmeal that it sucked up. Let me find it. Oh, there it is. See? Oh, there goes the filter. Let me just hold that in real quick. As you can see how much dirt it picked up? It picked up a lot. I'll go ahead and place this back on. Place this back on. Oh, there we go. Thank you all for watching this video. Please comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all later. And as I said earlier, the Amazon link for this vacuum will be placed in the description. Bye. Hi guys. Today we're going to be reviewing the Dyson Dc39 Animal. It is a very nice and powerful vacuum. So let's get to it. This is the what I like to call it the main vacuumer. And you place it down on the floor, and it has two wheels right here to make this move. Very powerful suction. And this button right here, you press and release, and this part comes off if you want to attach something different to it, which we will later on in the video. And then this red button right here, you gently place your foot on the vacuum and you press it, and you can raise the volume to your height. I'm going to just raise it all the way up, and then it locks back in place automatically. And you can vacuum as you please. These are the tools. This little clip thing is removable, as you can see. And we clip back on, we have two tools. We have a corner tool